Welcome to Showroom Window by Marshall, your personal video presentation service.
Good afternoon. Just a quick video of our Yaris hybrid here, FT19HLW. I'm going to give you a quick video of the exterior first and then I'll move on to the interior. It's in the Nebula Blue. As you can see, it's a hybrid 1.5 petrol engine combined with electric assistance. So keyless entry. It's got a couple of extras on the side with the side mouldings, side protectors I should say. Vehicle has a reversing camera which you can see just under there. With the two-tone diamond cut wheels. Okay, that's the exterior of the vehicle done. Now let's go on the interior. This is the boot. You can get plenty of suitcases in here, luggage, people, whichever you want. Part leather seats, room enough for 3 people. Interior is very smartly finished in the black and gloss black and matte black finish. Varying technologies on this: cameras, dual zone climate, keyless cruise control, automatic CVT or ECTV gearbox, forward collision camera, automatic lights, lane departure system, advanced technologies. Obviously being the hybrid, you kind of run up to sort of 25-30 miles an hour on the electric, and then they use a combination of both after that speed. So you get great fuel economy from a hybrid. Digital touchscreen radio. No sat nav on this one. It's an optional extra. And there's your reversing camera. Vehicle's only done 4,000 miles. Sort of different driving modes. Okay, this has been an overview of the Yaris hybrid. I hope you're impressed. We hope to see you soon.
Thanks for watching Showroom Window by Marshall, your personal video presentation service.